myself.
That's what it looks like. Ooh, it's hot still. You want one that's not hot? And along with seeing our grocery haul, you're going to find out why we're only recording once a month now.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back, let's go through it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel his tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it?
Hi. Hey. So you ready? I made a couple for her to test to see if I'm doing it right, which I'm not very confident. So here's one. That's what it looks like. Ooh, it's hot still. You want one that's not hot? You want one that's not hot? I made a couple of them. Here, put that one back. Try this one.
Thank you.
Now these are the strawberry ones. So let's open it up slowly and watch the goo fall out. Let's see how it looks. Well, how's it look?
It's cooked.
Okay. Then eat it.
Hot though. Look at that.
We'll blow it off.
It's hot.
Try bite. Try bite. I'm not gonna say nothing. I don't know what the heck she said, but I think she's enjoying it.
Oh. It's very good.
Oh, good. Yay. I did something right for once. Love you, sweetie.
No.
All right, there you go. That's all of the Samoan/German jelly buns. We got the grape here, and we have the strawberry there. I hope she continues to enjoy them, and I hope they all turned out good. Thanks for watching. Hey, sorry for narrating this portion, but I had no voice this day that I went shopping. I actually had got sick, like a stomach flu or something, a few days prior, and I threw up so much. Sorry to say that, hopefully it don't make you sick, but I was sick so much that I lost my voice. So that's why I couldn't talk this day. I felt a lot better, but my voice was gone. I couldn't talk. So I'm at the commissary here on the military base. This is where we do all our shopping. You can see they had some really good deals on those Asian pears. My wife loves those. So I basically want to chat real fast. I won't talk through this whole thing, and I'll speed it up so you can just briefly see me going through picking out the food. I'm getting some stuff for Valentine's Day because I recorded this I think the day before Valentine's Day, and my family usually don't do very much, but we get candy for each other and stuff like that, and of course just loving each other is all that's really important on Valentine's Day, not necessarily expensive gifts. So after December, when Beautiful was home, we had such a great time. I spent so much time with my kids. I just thought to myself that, man, I feel like I'm not spending enough time with my kids, and I really started looking at how much time I spent on YouTube. So I do subscribe to over 120 channels. I believe it's 126 or 7, and 99% of them are all Polynesian related, and that takes up a lot of time. But what takes up even more time is me after I watch it, and I'm not a fast typer by any means. I'm like picking at it with one finger. It takes me sometimes 30 minutes just to put out a reply. So if you take all that consideration in, watching it and taking time to reply or try to be witty, because that's just my nature, I was spending over 8 hours, almost 8 hours a day. It's as much as I was working. Because at lunchtime I'd watch it, on breaks I'd watch it. I'd watch it for 6, 7, 8 hours every night. And I just thought, I gotta stop doing this because I'm very OCD, and when I get into the habit of something, I don't want to stop. So I said I need to take a break. So that's where we've been. All the stuff you saw in January was old footage that I had prepared already, and so I didn't start filming again until these moments that you're seeing upcoming. You saw the jelly buns, and now you're seeing the grocery haul, and next you're going to get to see the annual Asian New Year's celebration. It's the 25th annual one, and Samoa was the host country. It's very exciting, so I had to be there. Plus, silhouettes instructor, performed along with a couple kids on the stage. It was just such a great time. And you'll watch that in chapter 3. But so since I've come back, I realized when on February 1st I started looking, I am like over 500 videos behind watching everyone's videos. So I've been slowly going through. I watched all of Faye's. I didn't get a chance to comment on all of Faye's, but I do give a thumbs up. I do watch. If some of you don't like this new style that we're doing, because I literally need more time with my family, and I can't write chapters every time that I watch someone's videos, but I am watching them. I'm still not caught up from January, so I'm still behind, but I'm catching up with each person I'm subscribed to one by one, and at least giving you a thumbs up to support your channel. And I hope you guys always support other Polynesian channels as well. But if for some reason you no longer want to subscribe to us because I'm not writing a lot on your videos, then by all means unsubscribe. I'm not in here. I might have been at one point for subscribers or anything, but we're not in it for money. We're not in it to make a lot of videos to make more views or anything like that. We just want to do stuff that hopefully someone enjoys. If one person's out there and I have one subscriber at least, I will keep doing it. Unless it's just like my kids, then I'll cancel. But I'm gonna speed it up here so you can kind of watch what we buy, and then at the end I'll tell you how much 2 weeks worth of groceries buys, because I do a 2 weeks menu. Look at all the spam. I feel like I could talk through this whole video. But in this point right here, I will tell you that I am looking to see the total sodium, because they have a light that has low sodium, then there's one called 25% less low sodium. And actually the one that says light actually has just as low sodium and less fat than the low sodium one. So that's why I usually always get the one called light spam. All right, I'm gonna speed up here in a second. Please enjoy the video. And the other thing is, you know how long it takes to edit, at least those who have YouTube does. And this took me probably 2 weeks just to put this video together, because it was hundreds of clips that I bunched all together. So that is why we're also going to once a month. So hopefully some months will be good, some months will be bad and not have a lot of content, but this is what we did, the highlights of February, these 3 major things. And oh, there's my fat self. Getting tuna fish now. I'm buying some with water for myself instead of the oil to hopefully lose some weight. Yes, I'm trying to be one of those people that lose weight in the new year. So far, I've lost like 9 pounds. So knock on wood. Hopefully, I can keep doing it. Quiet, Maka. That's Maka barking because I'm not. But I love each and every one of you. And I'll see you at the end of March. After this one, I will try to put up the videos every month on the very last day of the month at 12 a.m. All right? So we love you. And I'm so glad that you guys are watching if you've got to this far. And God bless each and every one of you. And I'll be seeing you on YouTube, and we all will. All right? Tofa Soifua. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Get a drum as a toy for Christmas. Was one of the greatest innovators. They know to and right. It's a whole yard full of fans.
Hey, so there's my groceries. I'm sorry for the speed up, but I don't think anyone wants to watch me buy every single thing. I'm just taking it out into the cart, out into the truck, I mean, excuse me. So when I get home, I'm going to show you everything that we got mostly, and also let you know how much it costs for our family to get 2 weeks of groceries. So there's all the food. I try to put it all out. I got the Asian pears and different things like Ziploc bags and juices and Fresca and rice. Again, the Asian pears are really good. I usually get 5 pounds of rice. We got creamer. We got orange juice. The kids like Donald Duck. Want some Hawaiian mango habanero chips. Besides the steak, I bought about 2 steaks. Those I did put those in the refrigerator. These are also some cut up ones for stir fry. Got a bunch of different chicken thighs and chicken breasts. Cool Whip for my wife. Cottage cheese, low fat for me. And then also some Greek yogurt because I was doing like a Mediterranean night for us. Got some little pizzas for the kids for a pizza night. I'm going to have salad that night. Yeah, I was trying to lose weight. Plus, after being sick, I didn't really feel like eating a lot. Some Jellos. There's a little teeny can of corned beef. My wife likes to take that and mix it with mayonnaise and in sandwiches. I'm going to take all those breasts and break them apart and put them in like the freezer bags to have, because really we only eat 2 breasts per dinner. That's all 4 of us. We only need 2 breasts. So different things. Got some sushi for them. Hopefully they like that. They do have a sushi maker there. There's 2 people working making sushi, and then they box them up, but it's made fresh right there in front of you, and then they box it up for you. Got a bunch of cat and dog treats as well. What else? Little knickknacks like toothpaste and lighters, things like that. So the lighters to help light my daughter's fire knife stick because her instructor is now allowing her to light up at home. And so if she wants to do that once a week or something, and oyster sauce and all that good stuff. So avocado, there's my water. Tuna, we already had a bunch with oil in it. So there's one we have already. And I think that's about it. Got cracker soup. There's the donuts. I got some for mommy. I got the chocolate ones. I got some straw drinks, we call them, or Capri Suns, and of course 2 packs of 18. So that's 36 eggs. Mini Cokes for acapella, and different things for their lunches. So these are little snacks I buy so they have lunches, and of course some baby wipes, toilet paper, paper towel. All right, that's about it. All right, so that's all our groceries. This is 2 weeks worth of groceries. This will last us for 14 meals, and the total we spent is $302.79. So it helps a lot that we shop at the commissary. The prices are really good. We'll see you in chapter 3. Today is the 25th of February. We are all going to the Asian Pacific Cultural Center annual, what is this called for?
Chinese.
What's this called, Superstar? Look at her, all dressed up. Yeah, it's for to celebrate the Chinese New Year, but Samoa is the host country this year, so we're gonna go and see some performances from Silhouette's teammates. All right, we'll see you inside. Let's get some food. So we're standing in line. It's a free event, so a lot of people here. It should open up in about a couple minutes and we'll be able to get in. Oh my gosh. It is so crowded in here. They have 2 stages.
It is wonderful to be here with all of you today.
They have a large screen.
I was just telling someone that we would cheer with the microphone behind us.
Dancers. Oh, look at those guys getting ready to dance.
Legislature is in session in Olympia, and this is the first time we're back full-time since 2020. I really want to invite everyone here to come to Olympia to engage with the legislature, to make sure that every single community in Washington State is represented.
Sense of hope and peace. I look forward to learning more.
I think they're taking
Samoa
treats to the VIPs that are here.
The exciting
Samoan descent who call Washington State home, and Pierce County is the epicenter of that, so we should be very proud of that fact.
Awesome.
Hello everyone and happy Lunar New Year, and a special talofa to all of you recognizing the importance of this year's host country, Samoa.
Who has served as Chief of Staff of the Governor of American Samoa, the Honorable Lemanu P.S. Mauga, since January of 2021.
Loa Pala.
Teach the world humanity and hospitality. On behalf of Governor Lemanu Palepoi Salingamonga, Lieutenant Governor Talawinga Eleasalo Va'alele Ale, and the people of American Samoa, I would like to extend our warmest greetings to all who are joining the 25th year of the Asia Pacific Cultural Center's Lunar New Year celebration. This year, Asia Pacific Cultural Center has given our homeland, Samoa, the honor of hosting this year's Lunar New Year celebration. So on behalf of the people of American Samoa,
Got some Malu dancers, and a Taupo. Hi. Yeah, the Taupo.
We need all you guys over
cool.
to right.
Selected.
We need this whole area for the village. Please make your way over.
Because frankly, we are a country that is
Okay.
obsessed.
We can't say this enough. We got the village coming in. We need those who are not over to the right. Please move.
To acknowledge the honorifics.
Over to the left or to the right?
Can't go anywhere. Where do you want me to go?
Yep, go that way.
My Samoa city,
Yeah, we're here. We're good friends, man. We're friendly. I'm not big.
Another line.
I know.
Our way of greeting and welcoming our guests, friends, and those who are dear to us. So when I say talofa, you, our guests and friends, respond by saying talofa. Talofa! Samoa consists of tiny islands in the heart of the South Pacific, located 1,800 miles northeast of New Zealand and 2,600 miles southwest of Hawaii. Of Samoa. Samoa! Te tolu mai, te tolu mai! Te tolu mai, te tolu mai!
Yeah.
We Samoans welcome our special guest with the Ava ceremony. Today, the chiefs and our religious leaders welcome you all by demonstrating the traditional Samoan Ava ceremony. Ava again contains alcohol.
And we're gonna walk around, look for food now at Pacific Grill. They're still doing the kava ceremony, and we were getting smushed, very claustrophobic. Everyone's crowding in, so we're trying to walk around and find some food. Silhouette's getting some shaved ice. And we ordered some food here from the Pacific Grill. We're gonna go to Silhouette always wants to buy stuff. Guess what you're gonna get? Let's see. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Let's get a Samoa bracelet. It's okay. Okay, we are leaving because we got to get ready. We have a light up tonight in about 2 hours. So we got to get home, change, get her fire knives. So they're all coming. That's where the food's being cooked. Smells delicious. Wow. There's literally thousands of people in there. I wish the venue was a little bigger. Besides that, it was awesome. I wish we could stay and see the other cultures do their performances, but you know, we're a little partial to Samoa. So okay, thanks so much for watching. I think this might be the ending of this month's video, so we will see you at the end of March. Until next time, yeah, tofa soifua. 1, 2, 3. Peace. Bye everyone.
I'm so scared. I'm so slow. Come on, Phil. Let's go. There
It's
you go.
blowing, but she's not staying the right way because the flame's blowing towards her face. There you go. Now do it. Hurry up. Don't touch the wire. You're good. Go.
There you go. Okay, bring it.